I'm Anne-Marie Lockmyer. I'm an author, speaker, and founder of the Grief and Trauma Healing Network. The title of my book is When Their World Stops, The Essential Guide to Truly Helping Anyone in Grief. The book is about that awkward situation that all of us are so uncomfortable with, and that is talking to someone who has just suffered the loss of someone dear to them. When you don't know what to say, you don't know what to do, you're not sure how to approach them, it answers all those questions and takes you from awkward to confident. You can find my book on Amazon, barnesandnoble.com, other online retailers, and on my website. Comments all the time. I love it when people tell me stories, and I'm always getting emails or phone calls or texts, and they'll say something like, "Oh my gosh, I just read your book, and let me tell you what happened." And it's always a story about how they weren't sure what to do or they weren't able to approach someone. So I hear stories all the time about how people became aware of things that the people that they cared about needed, or even feelings that they were going through that they didn't realize, and that their eyes were opened and they were equipped now in a way that they weren't before. So it's great to hear the stories. It deals with all the types of losses. It gives you everything you need and more to come alongside and really help someone that you care about at a time when they need your help so desperately.